Dear friends and partners, we are approaching at the end of December. Looking back on 2024, throughout this year, Amitime has been forging ahead bravely in different fields. Firstly, we launched the EcoStar Pro series this year as our second-generation Auto-90 DC inverter air-to-water heat pump. It features outstanding performance and an A++ energy rating. It is an excellent one-stop solution from installation to function, helping reduce our carbon footprint. In addition, our new heat pump water heater, the EcoStar series, is coming soon. It uses eco-friendly Auto-90 refrigerant and is highly efficient. Equipped with the smart controller display, the EcoStar series will provide users with ideal comfort. With advanced technology and innovation, we are moving toward a more sustainable future together. At the same time, we have reached a brand new milestone, the completion of the new factory. In this modern production phase, advanced production equipment operates in an orderly manner. Efficient product line work in precise coordination and strict quality control is carried out at every step. It injects a powerful impetus into the capacity enhancement of commercial heat pumps, lays a solid foundation for the stability and improvement product quality, and is a crucial step for us to realize our long-term development strategy. In addition, as a leading player in the industry, Amitime always shows a keen insight into the market trend. In 2024, we presented our premier heating solutions at the AHR exhibition in the United States, the MCE exhibition in Italy, and Interclima in France and the Trevanta in Germany. Our product gained industry recognition at these events, and we are eager to cooperate with like-minded individuals on efficient, zero-carbon emission projects. Additionally, we explored exhibitions around the world to keep up with global development. Every achievement of Amitime is inseparable from the trust and support of our customers. Your choice is our greatest recognition. Your feedback enables us to continuously optimize and improve. Every customer is our most precious partner. We cherish every step we have taken with you and look forward to continuing to work side by side in the future. We wish you and your family Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. May your life be filled with happiness and well-being. At the same time, we wish you all a successful career, a happy family, and good health in the new year.
Feliz Navidad, Prospero año y felicidad.
Minasan, Merry Christmas.
Поздравляю всех с Рождеством и Новым годом.
Dear customers and partners, as the Christmas and New Year approach, on behalf of Amitime's Overseas International Center, I would like to extend our warmest greetings and best wishes to you. May this festival season bring you abundance of joy, peace, and prosperity. Thank you for your continued support and collaborations throughout the year. We look forward to achieving more success in the coming year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Partners and friends all over the world, it is not easy in year 2024, but all of us are wishing we will have a terrific and fantastic year in 2025. In the end of this year, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.